Hi, beautiful YouTube family, and if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Lady Cinnamon, and I'm really excited. I'm doing something different today. No DIYs, no art. I'm going to be participating in the Heaven's Pearls Black Radiance collab for Black History Month. So we're celebrating our heritage, and I'm really happy. So thank you so much for coming along for the ride with me. We're so proud. So today I'm going to be introducing Heaven's Pearls, which is designs by CCW. Her name's Candy. Glam Queen of DIY Tammy, Love is the Main King Erica, Levels of Style with Sandra, Jazigreen Decor Style Liz, and Styling with Stacy, Designer Sloth, whose name is Dee, and also Debbie Bubbles, and all these women are fabulous. So I'm going to be using the color gold. I'm going to be styling up my bar cart and a gold candelabra from Z Gallery. So I'm going to be featuring basically a Solaris vase that's basically from a new item I got from Z Gallery, and I love it because this vase creates the illusion of like florals floating on air, and it has this really pretty clear glass, and it has an elliptical shape to it like a bowl, and it's perched between two glass panels for a beautiful design. And guys, I am obsessed with this. I like getting real flowers whenever I can. It's nothing like fresh florals or flowers in your home. They smell awesome. So I bottom shelf or my lower shelf, I'm going to be using a really pretty beaded gold mat, and I'm also going to be using one of my favorite candles from Anthropology. I'm obsessed with them and their candles. And also some sparkling juice and these really cute cloches, and basically a little candle holder in the back. And these cloches are so beautiful with a gilded stem to them. Gorgeous. I love the way they look. And then they have this like sort of older old world look to them that's so charming, but they can go with any decor. And I'm gonna basically keep it sort of simple on the bottom shelf as well as the top shelf. Yeah, and I'm really happy with the way it looks. So for the top, of course, I have that beautiful Solaris vase. I also have some drink stirrers from mocktails and some straws, and these cute little stemless wine glasses for my little sparkling juice, which says Madame and Monsieur. So cute. And like I said, I want to keep it a little simple, not too much. I have a DIY candle holder that I have a luminar in, and I did that with some crushed glass and metallic gold, and as you can see, it looks absolutely cozy and fabulous at night. And to round off my bar cart, I have a cute little green bunny. I just picked him up. I have another one, but it was too big for this bar cart. And I have some coasters and some napkins, and that's it. We're done. But I love the way it looks because it's not overdone. It's just right. Now for my candelabra, I really wanted to do one of those night views. And I love the way it looks. It's so enchanting. It really is. The way they're floating, it looks like they're in the air. And you guys know half the time I spend in my mind is in some other world of fairies, pixie dust, fairy lights, and all things that are beautiful, kind, and good. So everybody's nice and wonderful there. So yeah, let me live my fantasy. But yeah, they look so beautiful, all tangled up in these leaves and all of these branches. Just gorgeous. And that's from Z Gallery also. So actually, there's 8 candles, which spells out each letter in the word patience. And the Bible does say to wait on the Lord, be of good courage, and he shall strengthen your heart. So we have to stay encouraged and keep our head up, guys. It's going to get better. So don't forget to look at all the other creators on the playlist I'll put in the description bar below, and check out the host videos, as well as stop by their channels. They all doing great things and they're fabulous. So for my African or Black history, I'm going to transport you to Africa, which is the origin of all Black Americans. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.